Okay, so I'd like to take a look at this property. It's in Fort Denard, which is just between Alva and Labelle. And I'll pull up the map here in just a moment, but if you're familiar with the Caloosahatchee River, it's located on the Caloosahatchee River, just to the right of downtown Fort Myers. Really nice area, very quiet, peaceful, and this property here is located just on the river, so you have a really gorgeous view with your boat dock, and really just enjoy just the peaceful, serene, life out there in Fort Denard, which is just, like I said, it's kind of away from it all. You can just really relax and enjoy, and just, you're still not far from the action. So, 30-40 minute drive, you're to downtown Fort Myers and the beaches and all that. So it's just a nice, peaceful getaway. Now looking at some of the photos, this is a 2-story home, so plenty of space, of over 3,500 square feet. So you've got lots of room, for if you have a big family or just want to enjoy, getting away here in Florida and enjoying a vacation home, or if it's full time. This house has it all, really, and it's got a really nice oversized, looks like a garage off to the right there. So be able to park all your toys in there and really enjoy, like I said, just the property itself. It's over 3 acres, so you've got lots of land to roam around, enjoy, and privacy. But you can zip out on the boat anytime you'd like right there. So nice wraparound driveway. Let's get into the details. So yeah, like I said, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2 attached garage spaces. So it looks like, the attached, and then also there's to the right there, you've got a garage as well. So the other detail I wanted to mention was, well, of course, no HOA. So that's awesome. You don't have to worry about HOA fees. And then it also has an RV pad with hookup. So if you have an RV, you can bring your RV, which makes it really nice for traveling down if you are commuting back and forth from a different part of the country. I think that's really helpful. But yeah, it's got a covered boat dock. It says with 10,000-pound boat lift. So you can have your boat or your jet skis. Any other features here? Oh, well, yeah, I guess there's an additional room. It could be a 5th bedroom, but a home office. So really, you're looking at 5 rooms, which is great. Florida sunroom. Yeah. So anyways, this one's been on for 40 days. Looks like it's got some activity, but for 1.3, I think this is a really nice house. You can put your own personal touch on it. But I love the kitchen. I love the open floor plan. Just really, really nice, stunning home. And like I said, for what you're getting with that riverfront view, gosh, this is awesome. So, if you're interested in a property like this, if this isn't the one, but you're looking for something similar, or if, there's something else in a different budget, different area that you'd like to look in, we cover the whole Fort Myers area, all of Lee County, Collier County. So happy to show you around. Check out our website. You can book directly on our calendar there, milliondollarfloridateam.com, or you can just call or text 239-313-8975. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.